Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life plus doing well in your studies also. So today is day 2 of the mock test challenge which I started yesterday for SBI clerk prelims exam. So the prelims exams will start from 10 days and from 10th of July, and now we are left with around 8 to 9 days. Okay, today is 2nd July and today I am going to give 2 mock tests. So what I have decided is, today I will not give any mock test from practice mock because yesterday I found some irrelevant questions in practice mock and it is demotivating. Like the questions are of moderate level and some questions which are very high level are asked in the PM mocks. So it kind of affects our confidence. Okay, so you should give one easy mock also. So for today I will give Oliveboard mock number 2 and Adda mock number 8. So if you don't have Oliveboard, you can go for practice mock also, otherwise you can go for test book also. And for easy mock, I am going to attempt Adda mock number 8. And one more thing I have added is analyze 2020 previous year paper of SBI clerk prelims, because whenever we give the mock test and if the mock test is of high level, we get somewhat demotivated that the mock test is of that level and I am getting less marks, and so I will not be able to clear the prelims. But after analyzing the mock test, you will come to know about the real level of the exam which came last year, and it will be like somewhat same. There will not be that much difference this year also. So try to analyze previous year paper and then you will gain some confidence. Try to solve the previous year paper. Okay, so this is the to-do list for today. Oliveboard mock number 2, Adda mock number 8 and 2020 previous year paper analysis. Plus do your daily current affairs and revise previous current affairs. Plus try to do 2 to 3 mains level DIs and 1 mains level puzzle. So this is what I am going to do today. Okay, and just don't feel demotivated, because after attempting the mock test yesterday, I was also kind of disappointed that what I was doing from these days, like I am getting this type of marks, but it all depends on our mind and our mindset. So just be confident while attempting the mock test. Just think that you know how to solve every question. Okay, you can solve every question. You have given your 100% in the previous days, and just try to solve the mock test with 100% confidence, then your marks will also increase. So today here is the to-do list, and thank you for your time. Just give your 100% in these 8 days, because these 8 to 9 days are going to decide whether you will sit for mains exam or not. So give your 100% and fight for mains examination. So thank you and all the best for today. Just give your 100%. Okay, I know you can give it and you will gain much confidence after it. Thank you.